Traditionally, project planners make their building erection plans in project management systems or Excel to create a schedule for when each concrete element shall be installed. These project planning systems have many benefits but also some drawbacks. There is no visual connection between the plan and what will happen on the construction site. This can make the process slow and error-prone for the project planner because you must mentally visualize the process. Most concrete element fabricators use the 3D models from Tekla to create the manufacturing plan. And it would be beneficial to have the plan linked to the 3D model, but traditional methods do not easily give you that. To alleviate these challenges, we have developed the Trimble Connect PLANNER Extension. This extension lets the project planner work with a full 3D model of the building in Trimble Connect and define which date elements shall be installed in an intuitive and virtual construction process. This gives you a full assembly and erection schedule, a visual overview of the construction sequence so you can easily spot mistakes and create a robust plan. The manufacturing planner can then import the erection plan into Tekla and then into ELiPLAN to create the production plan for the factory to meet the project schedule. A nice additional value is the visual presentation to the construction site team, a time-lapse video of the building erection process. You will love this. The Trimble Connect PLANNER Extension was developed in collaboration with Overhalla Betongbygg. Let me show you how this works with one of their projects. Here is a 3D model of the steel and concrete elements in a building project. We will create an erection plan of part of the building. First, we activate the planner extension and start a new plan. What we will do is to disassemble the building virtually. Then we will reverse the order of the plan. We are left with a perfect erection plan. You activate the auto add-on and then you simply select each element in the order you would disassemble the building one by one. Each time you select an element, it is added to the erection sequence. Oh, here I made a mistake. To fix it, I reverse the planning direction and replay the assembly. I see what I did wrong, so I just drag and drop the element to the correct sequence. I replay the sequence and now I can see that it's correct. Then I switch the planning direction back to disassembly or reverse planning as we call it and continue planning. When I finished, I reversed the order again and replayed the whole erection sequence. This looks correct to me. Now I can show this to my site crew and get their opinion. This is a very nice way to collaborate. So, now I have the erection sequence, but all the elements have the same date. I can set dates on the elements individually, but it's more efficient to select many elements and set the date for all of them at the same time. This way, I can go through the model and assign dates to groups of elements. I can modify the plan easily by adding a number of days, and that date will be set automatically. If you want to check the plan and see all elements to be installed at a certain date or range of dates, I can filter that out. This is also great for communication with the team to discuss crane positioning, find potential challenges, and so on. Finally, I export the plan. This gives me a text file that is formatted to be imported to Tekla and used however you want. Now you have the plan file with the erection sequence and dates for all structural elements. The next step is to import the file into Tekla and then use the integration to ELiPLAN or other manufacturing systems as you please. To learn more about what our customers say about this, check out the case study with Overhalla Betongbygg, available on our website. Reach out to BuildingPoint Scandinavia and let us know if you are interested in a Trimble Connect PLANNER Extension. See you!